To fix WhatsApp notification sound problems, you can try the following solutions. Number 1. Check WhatsApp notification settings. Open WhatsApp, go to settings, select notifications and ensure that the notification sound is enabled. Also check if the correct sound is selected. Number 2. Adjust volume settings. Make sure that your device volume is not muted or set too low. Increase the volume and test if you can hear other notification sounds. Number 3. Restart your device. A simple restart can often resolve temporary software glitches. Restart your device and check if the WhatsApp notification sound starts working again. Number 4. Update WhatsApp. Ensure that you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your device. Outdated versions may have bugs that could affect notification sounds. Visit your device app store and update WhatsApp if an update is available. Number 5. Clear WhatsApp cache. In your device settings, go to the Apps or Application Manager section. Locate WhatsApp and clear its cache and data. Then restart your device and check if the notification sound is working. Number 6. Check Do Not Disturb mode. Verify that your device Do Not Disturb or Silent mode is not activated. These modes can mute notification sounds including WhatsApp. Number 7. Reinstall WhatsApp. If none of the above solutions work, you can try uninstalling WhatsApp, restarting your device, and then reinstalling the app from your device app store. This can help resolve any software-related issues causing the notification sound problem. If the issue persists after trying these steps, you may want to contact WhatsApp support for further assistance.